Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to another daily update by the crypto team. I am Chi, and I'm so glad to be with you today, October 31st, on the birthday or anniversary of Bitcoin. Satoshi Nakamoto created the or published the white paper for Bitcoin today, October 31st, 2008. So today Bitcoin officially turns 15 years old. So happy birthday, Bitcoin. So today we got a lot to discuss. We're going to analyze Bitcoin. We're going to look at Ethereum. And we're going to talk about some interesting trends in the news. As always, please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us to be able to give you great content, and it just helps to keep you notified. So click the bell, and don't forget to keep us in mind. Also, let's remember that we are not a financial services provider or an advisor. We are simply trying to share what we've learned. We are lovers of the market. And so we just wanted to pass this information on to you to be of assistance. Also, please comment under our videos and let us know what you think and what information would be helpful, because we want to assist you however possible, and we also want to create a dialogue with you. So please also comment, like, subscribe, do all of that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I am going to share my screen, so give me a second. And we're going to go over Bitcoin. And the reason we talk about Bitcoin and we go over Bitcoin every day is because Bitcoin is an indicator of how the overall cryptocurrency market is doing. So if, for example, Bitcoin is going up, the other cryptocurrencies will most likely go up. Now, I'm sharing the coin market cap screen. It's coinmarketcap.com. And for those that are new to trading into cryptocurrency, CoinMarketCap is one of the best websites to go to get all the latest news on the different cryptocurrencies, all the different coins. It's the place to go to get information on the coins and the tokens in the cryptocurrency market. It also has the news, and it has a chart for all of the thousands of coins and tokens that there are. So let's look at Bitcoin. And I like to look at Bitcoin through TradingView, which is available also through CoinMarketCap if you select this button right here. So if we look at TradingView and look at the technical analysis, we can kind of see what's going on with Bitcoin. As we look at the daily chart, we see that Bitcoin is still holding strong. Yesterday, I predicted that Bitcoin would fall to about 30,570 to somewhere between 27,000. So somewhere within this range, that's why I predicted that Bitcoin would fall. It hasn't fallen yet. As you can see, Bitcoin is holding strong. Now, if we were to look at the 1 hour chart, we can get a better idea. As you see, Bitcoin hasn't fallen yet. A breach below about 33,900, 34,000, a breach below 34,000 would put Bitcoin back into this 34,000 to 33 33,300 range. In that range, Bitcoin may go up a little bit before it falls. After it goes below below 33,000, somewhere in this area, it's most likely expected to fall back to this range that I indicated, somewhere between 30,500 and 27,000, somewhere within that range. So right now, Bitcoin is holding strong. I still would not buy in this area. Remember, we aren't giving financial advice. We're just giving what we think as suggestions. We're not telling you what to buy, but I am suggesting that we right now be careful before buying anything in the market right now. So I personally, if I were to trade, I would wait for Bitcoin to come down to this 30,000 area before buying it up. Remember, novices buy high, and they buy when price is high and they sell when it's low. We don't want to do that. We don't want to trade like novices. We always want to buy anything, stocks, investments. We always cryptocurrencies. We always want to buy it at a discount. So price usually with in all of the markets, not only cryptocurrencies, price usually retraces back to the area that pushed it above a high or below a low. In this case, the high was about 32,000, and so price will most likely come back into the zone before it goes up. So I believe that one should wait for price to come back down before buying it up again for Bitcoin. Now, if we were to look at Ethereum, because I do want to talk about Ethereum. If we were to look at Ethereum, give me a second to open that up. Again, I like to look at TradingView's chart because I like to view the candlestick chart. That's really, really helpful with identifying zones. So it looks like right now, Ethereum has broken a high, similar to Bitcoin. And Ethereum has gone above this high of about 1,750. And it's coming into a level that should push it down back below this high that it broke out of. It's coming into a zone that actually broke this low right here at 1640 area. So it's expected that Ethereum will probably go back down as well. If I were going to buy Ethereum, I would most likely somewhere between 1650 and 1545. I wouldn't, now it could possibly continue to go up if you were day trading. It could possibly continue to go up to somewhere around 1940 or a little higher. But if you're buying it for the long term or for more than a few days, I would definitely wait for it to come back down into the 1650 area before considering buying it up. So let's talk about some interesting news topics. First of all, the Bulgarian football club Botev Plavdov has switched to be able to allow their patrons to buy merchandise and goods at the games with cryptocurrencies. Now, currently, tickets can't be purchased with cryptocurrencies, but they're going to move towards that. Now, Botev Plavdov is Bulgaria's oldest football club or team. Now, remember, football is really soccer in every other country except for the US. So this is Bulgaria's oldest soccer team. They've moved towards allowing their customers to purchase the goods and merchandise at the games with cryptocurrencies. I think that's really cool. Again, it's adding more validity to cryptocurrencies. And then another interesting story. There's a crypto startup called Bastion, And that was created by Andreessen Horowitz. And he was also one of the founders of a company called A16Z. Well, he has created a company called Bastion that has applied for a money transfer license in New Hampshire and in Arkansas. Now, a money transmitter license will allow for a company to be a payment processor and to be a funds to allow funds to be transferred. So, for example, Western Union, PayPal, Money Corp, those are payment processors and they provide payment services. So, with a money transmitter license, Bastion is hoping to be able to be a payment processor with in the state of Arkansas and New Hampshire, and they're trying to go and get a license in all 50 states, so they could be the next PayPal cryptocurrency processor or something similar. So just keep an eye out for Bastion. I suggest that and we'll probably cover them in a little bit more detail later, but I definitely suggest that you actually just watch this company over the next few months, because if they get a license in all 50 states, we are expected to see some good things from them, some big things. Uh, and then before we end, I have to show you this story. It talks about exotic vacation spots where you can actually book with cryptocurrencies. And again, this story can be found on coinmarketcap.com along with all of the other stories that I've talked about. It talks about, for example, S Hotels and Resorts. They are currently in the Maldives, Fiji, Mauritius, the UK, and Thailand. Actually, they have 38 hotel brands. Well, you can actually purchase your stay with cryptocurrencies. Really cool. They actually started this in 2021. And then I'm not sure if you're familiar with the Sandman Hotel Group. They are in Canada, the US, and in the United Kingdom. They have over 50 hotels, and they are a luxury hotel group. Well, now they're allowing you to book your stay with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which I think is phenomenal. And then we also have the Dolder Hotel Group in Switzerland. They are in the heart of Zurich. They are a uh, luxury hotel chain that is allowing you to book your stay in cryptocurrencies. So, hey, we have some traveling that we have to do, especially those of us that are actually doing really well and making money in cryptocurrencies. We make the money so that we can enjoy ourselves and live life. So these are some places that we can enjoy. Also, last but not least, 5 hotels and resorts in Dubai. They are also a luxury hotel chain, and they've noticed that the majority of their customers are under the age of 35. And so they're also allowing customers to book their stay with cryptocurrencies. So that's great. So I want to hear about all of your traveling experiences. If you know of any other places that will allow for you to book your stay with cryptocurrencies, please put it in the comments so that we can be sure to check them out. And again, happy birthday to Bitcoin, 15 years old today. And I just want to send a shout out to Satoshi Nakamoto. Thank you for creating Bitcoin, for all of your hard work. And even though no one knows who you are, if you happen to see this, then know that you are appreciated. Have a great day. Happy Halloween. And may you be successful and prosperous. Thank you.